All right, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to the sewer lake. We're just gonna do a quick little rip with this boat. Same 4S pack, same motor, haven't changed anything yet, same tune. I did change the prop right here to one of those Pro Boat 1.73, 1.6, yeah. So it's like a 44/16 basically. Anyways, we'll get her all taped up. I don't have a GPS right now because it decided it doesn't want to work anymore. Oh. All right. Gotta let that spool up. It's not sounding that great. I just greased it up though. Anyways, I'll tape her up. We'll throw her in the water. Excuse the wind and the lack of microphone because I don't have my usual microphone today. So we'll do the best we can. All right, guys, let's get in the water, give her a shakedown. We got the Mad Lizard fin. I still haven't put a bend in it because I haven't been at my shop yet. Give it some trim. Just feathering the throttle, guys. Trying to see how she's reacting. Got a little bit of oversteer. Definitely got to put a bend in that fin, guys. She wants to go. Definitely need a bigger body of water, boys, for this girl. I'm just like half throttle right now. She's running nice though. Running nice. I think I just hit a turtle or something. Gotta tune that oversteer out of her. You know what I'm gonna do? Swap a prop real quick. I wish I had the GPS, but again, such a small body of water, we're barely able to make it. All right, I'm gonna swap a prop and then we'll cut back in. So we got a couple to choose from though before we get off before we cut this out. We got a couple to choose from. We have let's pull my tubes out. We have a this is an Oxydine CNC 4214, and this is an ABC 1714 1050. We're gonna go with this one right now, see how she reacts to this girl. We'll do a couple laps and then we'll open her up and get some temps out of her. All right, so stick around. All right, guys, here we go. 1714. Let's see. Got to deal with that oversteer. Ooh, that prop wants to go. That prop wants to go, boys. Yep. She needs a tune with this prop. Usually when you run 4S, you know, it's not so violent. where you can not really, you know, have to, what's the word? I'm losing my train of thought, I guess. Look at that beautiful rooster tail. Yeah, this prop, she needs a tune. It's a very aggressive prop. Oh, such a beautiful rooster tail. And it's getting pretty choppy in this water right now, but she's handling it pretty good. There we go, boys. We'll bring her in real quick. Whoa. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that. We gotta get rid of that oversteer. No brakes. Let's check our temps with that. We got good water cooling, but it's pretty damn aggressive. All right, let's see what we got here. Hopefully we got no water in her. The last time we got a bunch of water in her. Yeah, there's water in her. She's taking on water from somewhere. It's more moist than it is water. All right, let's check our temps, guys. All right, cooling plate on the ESC, 95, capacitors, 82. Holy shit. Motor, 98. Back of the motor, 88. Damn, boys. That's not bad at all. Don't like the fact that she's getting some water inside of her, though. All right, I'll dry her off, and then we'll throw her back in and kill the rest of this pack. All right, guys, here we go. I dropped the strut a little bit. I moved the battery. Unfortunately, I had to move it back, and dropping the strut is going to raise the transom up a little, so it'll drop the nose. So we'll see how she reacts. There's not too much left on this battery. But we'll see. Still oversteering. Turn fin needs an angle in it really bad. It's just 90 degrees right now. Even if there's no bend in the turn fin itself should have an angle. Turn ourselves around and not sink, you know. It's getting super choppy. Just trying to counteract this damn oversteer, but I'm pretty sure that the fin right now needs a fin's not biting hard enough. Turtles coming out. I can see them already popping their heads out. Try to get one clean lap and bring her back in, guys. Alright guys, it's time to bring her back in. And famous last words. Hit that curb. Hit that curb, hit that curb. Where did we hit that curb? I hit that curb the other day on the other side. Hey, how are you, man? All right, let's see our temps here. And we'll get out of here. It's our only pack. Still haven't gotten these packs from SMC just yet. Alright, 108 on the cooling plate, 85 on the capacitors, 97 on the motor, 85 on the front of the motor, battery 81. Wow. Wow. It's pretty cold. It's pretty damn cold, guys. Pretty damn cold. And why do we have so much freaking water in this boat? All right, we got to do a pool test when we get home with this girl. But anyways, this is what I was talking about with the turn fin. You see right now the turn fin is set at basically straight. You want kind of a little bit of an angle in it. If you're not going to run a curved fin, you want to angle your turn fin. Having a straight turn fin, I mean, it's not really going to be that great biting the turn, you know what I mean? But that's what we have for now. Here come the B2 bombers, just showed up. Stealth, I didn't even hear them get in the water. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is it wasn't a bad day, right? We were able to run a full pack, change a couple props, check our temps, and most importantly, we didn't have to use that guy. When we run the H17s or the H15s and we push them to the limit, you're gonna have to use that guy a lot. All right, birds, I'm leaving. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.